Valentine from BIGBAKEROLL TV, and you're tuning in to episode 24. What's up, you guys? So in today's episode, as you guys can see, we are going to be making some conversation heart sugar cookies. And I'm so excited for today's episode because what's Valentine's Day without conversation hearts? So let's go ahead and get right into it. So today we're going to be making our sugar cookies from scratch. And if you guys been to it, when I made the snowman sugar cookies for baked mix, you would know those didn't turn out too well. It felt like it was too much flour, too much stuff going on. But today I'm using a different recipe, so hopefully this works out. Fingers crossed. And if it doesn't, we're gonna try to mix it around. Cause last time we just okay, I guess it didn't work. But today we're gonna get it done. So the first thing we're going to do, we're gonna add 1 cup and 4 tablespoons of butter and 1 cup of sugar into our mixer to start off these cookies. And we're going to beat this together until we get a light and fluffy consistency. Alright, you guys, so after about 5 minutes of mixing the sugar and the butter, this is how we're looking. And the light part, as you guys can see, that's what we mean by light and fluffy right there. But we still have the extra part that haven't mixed yet, so we're gonna give this we're gonna see what 3 minutes does for us, and we're gonna see if we get that same texture. But we need it all to be evened out. So yeah, but that's what we're going for, you guys, is that right there. I'm gonna give it a quick mix. So we have our butter and sugar light and fluffy, just how we need it. Now we're going to add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk along with our flavoring. So for our flavoring, we are doing vanilla and almond extract. So we're just doing 1 teaspoon of each. That's just to give it a little bit of flavor. And I put both just to balance it out a little bit because some people use just vanilla. But I like how the almond makes the dessert taste, so that's why I did that. And then now we're just gonna go ahead and mix this up. Alright, so we got that mixed up over there, and now for our dry ingredients. In this bowl right now we have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to be adding baking powder and salt. So we have 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So now all we're going to do is give this a little whisk just to mix everything together, and we don't want all of those clumps to go in with our nice smooth butter and stuff over there. So we're just giving this a mix, getting out all the clumps and lumps and bumps. And then we're just gonna add this little by little to our mixture so we can get it all mixed in and we can get these cookies going. Alright, you guys, so like I said, little by little. That should be good. That's a little less than half right there. Let's get it cracking. Alright, so when the dough gets to a consistency where it's not really sticking to the bowl when it's mixing, and it's I don't know, you can kind of see when it's perfect, and that's what I'm seeing right now. And this is mine's starting to take it out. So let me show you guys. So it's not really sticking to the bowl, so it's not like sticky, so you know it's good. And then like, let me just grab a piece of it. And then it's like that, and you could like form it with your hands, but it's not like sticky. I feel like that's the perfect opportunity to go ahead and take it out. So we're gonna take this off of our stand, move that to the side, and it is time to start shaping these cookies. So start on our mat. Alright, so we have it right here. And by the way guys, I did not use all of the dry ingredients. I used almost all of it. So I'm going to show you guys right now how much I have left. So this is about how much I had left once I was done. And I don't need it because I feel like that's where we went wrong last time. This is good. I feel like it's a good balance. Last time it was too much flour, so we're not using all the flour this time. And we could form it. I feel like this is really good, so we're just gonna form it like into a slight ball so we can roll it out. And then as you guys can see in front of me, I have these heart-shaped cookie cutters. They are so adorable. And we have a big one and then a smaller one. We are gonna use both today, but we're gonna mainly use this big one right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start rolling these cookies out. Okay, so we're just gonna roll it out as even as possible. Y'all know I'm not good with rolling it out, but I don't think it's a right or wrong way to roll out dough. At least I hope it's not, cause it's pretty easy. But I just feel like I do it wrong because when I watch the videos, it says like a measurement to what they're rolling their dough out to. And my mat has measurements on it, but like, as you guys can see, this is not an even shape. So I don't really know. But we're just going with the flow. And tomorrow is Valentine's Day, so happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Hope you guys enjoy your Valentine's and you feel love on Valentine's Day, because that's what it's all about. Okay? So, yeah. And if you don't feel love, or if you just don't have anybody to celebrate Valentine's Day with, go grab your dessert. And hopefully that makes you feel better. Okay? But we're going to begin cutting out these hearts. So let's go. Oh my gosh, a fingerprint, really? Let me see this. That's not happening. We're gonna try again. Alright you guys, so as you just saw, my mom helped me put those cookies in the fridge, and we're gonna wait for about 5 minutes, just a few minutes, to let them chill, cool down, because they're too soft, so I can't even like scrape it up with my spatula in order to put them in the pan. So like I said, we're gonna wait a few minutes, and then I'll see you guys in a few minutes when our cookies have cooled. Alright you guys, so these cookies are way better, and now we're going to try to lift them up. I actually want to use this thing that my mom got. It's called a cake scraper, that's what it is. But we are going to actually use this to pick it up. Just so, see, that's way easier. Oh my god, I'm excited now, because I was like, ooh, when they weren't coming up, I was getting a little scared. So let me tell you guys this story time real quick. So, as you guys know, and the reason why we are making these cookies today is because Valentine's Day is not Valentine's Day without conversation hearts, right? Right. So I wanted to get some conversation hearts from the store. No, I do not eat conversation hearts, so do not come for me, okay? They're nasty, but like they make Valentine's Day. That's a tradition. If you know, if that's a tradition for you, like you already know it's a tradition. That's Valentine's Day. That's part of the holiday, okay? So I went into Walmart looking for the conversation hearts because I just wanted to, and mainly for my pictures for these cookies because I was like, oh, conversation hearts, get it. So yeah, so I wanted them, and I'm looking all over Walmart for them, and they don't have conversation hearts in Walmart. So I'm like, are you serious? And then like, it's not like somebody took them all because nobody even eats those for them to be gone. Oh my god, only 3 hearts can fit. Okay, we're just gonna have to make it. Or I can put the small hearts in there and then just take them out early. That's what I'm gonna do. So I'm like, oh my gosh, like what? How don't they have any conversation hearts? So like nobody did not take them. They had like all these other kind of heart-shaped candies. Like obviously they had the chocolate for Valentine's Day. They had the red hot candies shaped like a heart. How they did that, I honestly don't know. What else did they have? They had Krabby Patty shaped like a heart. Like, you get the picture, okay? So, yeah, so I was like, what and stuff? And I'm like, that's how you know, like, the word isn't the same anymore because they don't have conversation hearts on Valentine's Day. Like, that's so crazy to me. But yeah, because everybody knows, and comment down below if you agree with me, nothing is the same anymore. No holidays, Christmas, birthday, nothing. Like the world in general is not the same anymore, and that just proved it because like what I really didn't understand, and I was really blown, like I was really mind blown. So I had got some other candy hearts. If you guys want to see, check out my Instagram. Pictures will be on there of these cookies. Hopefully they come out really cute so I could, like, you know. But yeah, so anyway, yeah, long story short, I'm very disappointed at Walmart, and yeah, like the word isn't the same no more. So yeah, and I was talking to my cousin. She was like, that's how you know the word's about. And I was like, whoa, you're pushing it just a little too far. But yeah, it's not the same. But we're going to put these in the oven. Oven was already preheated to 325. And we're gonna let these bake for about, we're gonna check them in 8 minutes because I'm thinking 10, but let's go for 8. Hey Siri, set a timer for 8 minutes.
8 minutes, counting down.
Alright guys, I'm so excited. We have 1.5 heart left right here because the other one broke right before we put it in the freezer. But I'm going to cut out, the rest of my dough out the refrigerator, but I'm going to cut out the rest of our hearts for our next batch, and then I'll see you guys when all of the cookies are done. Alright guys, so as you guys can see, finally we have come to the part where we decorate our cookies. So we've got some blue, pink, and purple frosting right here, and we have our beautiful cookies. These cookies actually were like a trial and error because like we had like 4 cookies that broke, and that's like on the side. I don't know if you guys can see it back there, but they're back there. And then like this one right here is actually broken, but as it cooled back together, so we were good on that. And then every time we kept having to put them back in the freezer in order to get them on our pan. So like it was kind of like a lot, but we're here, so that's all that matters. But I'm just ready to decorate these cookies, so let's go. looks really good. Comment down below the yum emoji if you will eat this right now. This looks really good. Let's continue. Guys, so OMG. Oh, I should have put that one in my cookies. I totally forgot about OMG. But you guys, these cookies are so cute, super duper duper cute. If you want to see how they turned out, check out my Instagram for the pics. You know, they're so cute. I can't believe I did this. Like, I'm officially a decorator now. Like, please don't play with me. So my camera died, but please don't play with me. I'm really a decorator now. Like, I'm in here for it. Like, I can't believe I did that. All just aside, we had some trial and errors along the way, but we definitely did that. But our cookie, I put BIGBAKEROLL on it, and of course I messed up on that one because I tried to scrape it off, but it don't even matter, you know. My favorite one is, let's see, this is definitely my favorite one. Oh, the broken one, of course. So I can't even pick it up to show you guys. But you guys, I'm in love right now. And if you want to see how they taste, make sure you also check out my Instagram. My Instagram is lit, so just check it out. So yeah, check out my Instagram at BIGBAKEROLL TV. Don't forget to like, comment down below. Give me some feedback in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the rest of our Valentine's Day videos. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. Hope you guys enjoyed your day. Hope you feel loved. And yeah, so I'm really proud of myself. Like, y'all don't understand how proud I am. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.